Vlog 69 is coming and everyone in the comments has been like vlog 69 में क्या कर रहे हो तन्मय?
And we also asked Tanmay a couple of times, what do you want to do on vlog 69? He's like, no, I don't want to do anything.
We thought we'll just steal the chance of making a vlog from Tanmay.
And
Take revenge.
for all the prank that we have done with something very exciting. Guess what it is?
You can't, but try.
No! Wait. No! Keep the clothes on.
Is it actual doll?
Yes, it's an actual blow-up doll.
It's a blow-up doll.
Can we not keep our hand on?
It's not a sex toy. It's a love doll. Do not use in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. Chat! No!
Jack, this is not.
This is not for you. Okay? Guess who's very enthusiastic about his own birthday here working.
Why are you hellbent on ruining my birthday?
What is ruining your birthday?
It's got cake, it's got alcohol. Since evening, you're the only one who gives a fuck about my birthday. You know I hate
party poppers.
There are party poppers. Oh my god, this is the worst birthday ever. मैं आज stream करने वाला था BGMI for the first time. Saying it's Naveed was like, please stream मत करो. The only thing that will make it worse is if you stab me on my birthday.
You can stream it any day except your birthday.
तुम्हारा birthday क्या हो गया? कोई मनाया नहीं क्या? क्या हो गया? चाकू दे दो, खत्म करो.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tanmay. Happy birthday to you. I think I still have a photo of Tanmay and birthday cake where he's grumpy. It's the same, it is not changed over the years whenever there is a birthday cake in front of
What
him.
does this tell you? Stop getting me cake on my birthday. I'm going to be 95 on my deathbed and Naveed's like, happy birthday. बंद करो इसको, बंद करो.
What are you going to do, Naveed?
It looks like I've done some murder, but let's see.
Be careful not to burst her. It was in your room all this while, Naveed. Are we sure? Oh shit.
Meanwhile,
When we planned this prank, we didn't know that it would go to this extent. What the fuck is this? Raghav, फूल लगा रहा है यार ये लोग.
ये
शादी का कार्ड है क्या? ये सबको बांटना चाहिए अभी बिल्डिंग में.
हाँ तो ज़्यादातर आओ नीचे बांट के आता हूँ धीरे.
क्या लिखा है
ये लिखा नो गिफ्ट ओनली लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.
Did you ever think that you will get an invitation from Tanmay?
For a wedding,
For a
no.
wedding, no.
For a wedding reaction video, yes. But not a wedding.
And the mandap looks damn pretty, huh? Like I can't believe you guys actually went.
The prank is actually on you, Ash. It's you and Akash getting married.
Oh man, then it's not a prank.
She's living for it.
I'll be more.
Yeah.
I would suggest that you don't zip it up because she's definitely not 32C. Or अगर वो नहीं उठाता मैं ना दूंगा. वो ये रखा.
कॉल करने के लिए इतना क्या तैयार हो रहा है?
Sorry, but guys, I'm wearing this saree after really long. आज हम चाय रील बनाएंगे. चाहिए तो शादी कर लेंगे मंडप.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है हमारे को अभी?
तन्मय उठ नहीं रहा है.
What are our plans?
I'll wake him up saying mummy is trying to reach out to you, and in that exact moment Aishwarya calls him. So he'll pick up.
I'll give you.
तन्मय, मॉर्निंग. मम्मी पूछ रही है कि कब आओ.
Hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tanmay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tanmay. Acha, listen. What are your plans today? So I was thinking of coming over. So a friend of mine is coming to meet Akash only. She's coming, and I was just thinking that maybe you can meet her. She doesn't know or anything, but she's like funny, pretty, cute, all of those things. So you don't have to like talk to her or anything. You can just
You trying to set me up with your friend?
yes, a little bit.
Hilarious. Come.
Awesome. Yay. Okay.
2 hours later.
Yes, Raghav.
Day 10 of trying to prank Tanmay. Is it still worth it?
We all have been waiting here for the last. We've been waiting here for the last 2 hours. I think जो मेहमान आए वो लोग अभी चला जाएंगे. Hi. Surprise. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hi.
Oh my god! Is this your friend?
Hi, Tanmay, meet your bride, Dolmati.
We're inviting you for your wedding.
Oh my god! Hi Dolmati, nice to meet you. She's very shy. Wow, so we're just getting married? You think everyone falls in love like you do or what? Like meet and then 3 days later shaadi karna. Didi, you're dressed up! What the fuck?
Yeah, you should like open her gungat and
Yeah.
Hey, play the song, what is happening?
दिन शगुना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियो नी वेड़ा सजिया हाँ
थोड़ा सा नीचे कर
थोड़ा सा नीचे कर दो.
हाँ मतलब बाद में सर घूंघट उठाओगे तो तभी
But I think you should wear something because we have a lot planned.
What?
Yeah. So if you could just clear
Yeah, I think you should.
This is all for your vlog.
this for your
This is for my vlog? Oh my god, this is the best birthday gift. Oh my god! You guys can shoot the Swagrat also, I'm okay with it.
I have called your mom.
Oh my god. Mom wants to message me saying, what are you doing today? I see you've chosen to laugh.
Oh, she doesn't know.
She doesn't know.
She'll also be surprised.
Oh wow.
Her son is getting married.
My mom's old, yeah.
So
She doesn't have heart problems and stuff.
You can wait for 5 more minutes. Yeah. Rohan is that Fufaji who's always shows up late.
Oh, Rohan also coming.
आइए वेलकम भाइयों
सॉरी शादी बताइए शादी बताइए अब तो दोस्त नहीं अब सब्जी है
बहुत दिन ऐसा कोई शूट नहीं है जिसमें ऐसा प्री प्रॉड वगैरह थोड़ा सेट वेट.
I had to call my art director. I tell him I need a mandap overnight.
जो आर्ट डायरेक्टर अशोक ने बस इसी दिन गए
No, art director probably like, oh my god, this is like AIB all over there. Can you stop touching my wife?
Okay, cool. Okay, no.
It's inappropriately, don't touch my wife, okay, please.
Did you see her boobs?
Yes, I did.
This is the worst कन्यादान This is the worst. How was the wedding? Oh, it was great. While the relatives were bringing it, they said, "Oops, देखा क्या नहीं? Oops, देखा क्या नहीं? Oops."
I have the ring with me.
अरे रिंग छोड़, oops देखा.
Welcome Board Army. We gathered here to join Tanmay Bhatt and Dolmati in holy matrimony. Tanmay, repeat after that. I promise to cherish you always,
I promise to cherish you always,
to aerate and inflate you.
to aerate and inflate you.
I promise to only use regular air and never helium.
I promise to only use regular air and never helium.
I vow to be true to you and to only come but never leave.
I vow to be true to you and to only come and never leave.
I shall never play with your feelings, never treat you like a toy.
I shall never play with your feelings, never treat you like a toy.
Whenever you are feeling low, I shall pump you up until death do us apart.
Whenever you're feeling low, I shall pump you up until death do us apart.
Dolmati, repeat after me. I promise I'll pretend the sex is really good.
I pretend the sex is really good.
That's all. With this ring, I, Tanmay Bhatt, take you, Dolwati, to be my wife.
With this ring, I, Tanmay, take you, Dolwati, to be my wife.
By the power vested in me by the bot army, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Not in front of everyone. Like,
Come on.
But I
Kiss the bride. Kiss the bride.
Give kiss on cheek. It's a bracelet and not a ring now. What's
We have
next?
a small surprise for you.
Legit been to actual weddings where friends have made less effort. Alright, great wedding.
Can we go for the lunch?
So yeah, be Akash is all like, hello. I am me. And now it's all like dating the hurry.
6 minutes से ऑनलाइन नहीं देखी WhatsApp नहा ही रही होगी और क्या?
So you guys seen an actual wedding now?
Yeah.
Do you still think it's worth it?
I'm gonna stop. You talk.
This is Aishwarya after waiting for me for 1 hour. I'm like, God, you're taking so long. But also Aishwarya, I want to get married ASAP.
Now only. It's so nice. Photos on that. We
Of course you
started
did.
with
Of
photos,
course.
and I feel like we'll make a good.
You
We
vibed.
can do one more classic uncle. मैं अरे अभी मंडप लगाई है तो मतलब नहीं देते हैं, उसमें क्या है?
Feel like Aishwarya waiting in the middle of a wedding will be first divorce to happen inside a wedding.
First real divorce.
Like Aishwarya in the middle of the wedding is like, this is some bullshit.
I can't believe you guys know things.
दीदी has gotten the most dress though. दीदी हम में से सबसे पहला शादी किसका आएगा?
एक्चुअली आपका होना चाहिए हम देखना चाहते हैं सर आपका शादी
हो गया दीदी यही वाला होने वाला है.
नहीं नहीं
हाँ?
डॉल दिखती डॉल को सजा के बुलाया पहले दीदी बोला माल है
दीदी मैं असली में शादी करेगा आप सबसे पहला मेरी बीवी को आके माल है बोलेगा तो कैसा चलेगा?
खाना बहुत अच्छा था शादी में भाई साहब लिमिटेड मेन्यू था बढ़िया था ये नहीं कि पनीर डाल रखा है
Yeah, sorry, मैं नहीं खाना है. ये सब छोले बोले मतलब शादी में.
Very cheap no of Naveen to order this.
Yeah, really. Like, I mean, you think that it will be proper. Like, there's no plates also. Like,
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck? Like, I want those little like plastic glasses where the guy opens it and gives it to you.
Yeah.
Straw. Like, it's a wedding.
कॉफी काउंटर भी नहीं है
हाँ. वो पोस्ट मील पान किधर है?
हाँ पोस्ट मील पान नहीं है
नीचे नीचे स्टेशन के पास खराब शादी है
क्या नवीद इतना टाइगर श्रॉफ का एड चलाने के बाद भी तुम लो बजट रखते हो. I just realized that her mouth is a.
Yep. It is exactly what you think it is. Her mouth is a flashlight.
Should we see downstairs?
No.
Yeah. कभी कभी आपकी शादी की उम्र निकलती चली जाती है और पीयर प्रेशर में आकर आपको कुछ चीजें करनी पड़ती हैं. सो हियर वी गो. मुझसे शादी ऐसी कर ली है तूने जाने मन जाने जा. तेरी आंखें फिर क्यों लगती नकली हैं मुझको तू ये समझा. ओ मेरी रातों में अब तेरा नाम है. आ लिख दे दास्तां जाने मन जाने जा. जाने मन जाने जा. Yeah. कभी कभी आपकी शादी की उम्र निकलती चली जाती है और पीयर प्रेशर में आकर आपको कुछ चीजें करनी पड़ती हैं. सो हियर वी गो. मुझसे शादी ऐसी